Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that offers a fantastic blend of performance, portability, and ease of use. We discovered the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The Potensic Atom SE is a compact and lightweight drone that weighs less than 249 grams, which means no need for FAA registration. This sleek drone features a foldable design, making it easy to pack and carry, perfect for those spontaneous adventures or travel occasions. But don't let its size fool you, the Atom SE is packed with some impressive features that make it stand out in the crowded drone market. One of the standout features is its 4K EIS camera equipped with a high-quality Sony sensor. This allows you to capture stunning 12MP photos and smooth 4K video at 30 frames per second. The exclusive Shake Vanish technology helps eliminate unwanted vibrations, ensuring that your footage is stable and professional looking. With a wide field of view at 118 degrees and a camera that can tilt from +20 degrees to -90 degrees, you'll have plenty of creative angles to explore. Now, let's talk about flight time. The Atom SE comes with 3 batteries, giving you an impressive total flight time of up to 93 minutes. And thanks to its smart parallel charging hub, you can charge all 3 batteries simultaneously in just 1.5 hours. This is fantastic for those longer sessions where you want to maximize your time in the air without the hassle of waiting around for batteries to charge. This drone also features a robust Surgefly flight control system, which includes a beginner mode and 3 flight modes: video, normal, and sport. This makes it suitable for both beginners just starting with drone flying and more experienced pilots looking to push their limits. In sport mode, you can reach speeds of up to 16 meters per second, making flying a thrilling experience. For those concerned about losing their drone, the Atom SE is equipped with precise GPS auto-return functionality. If it loses signal or runs low on battery, it will safely return to its takeoff point automatically. This feature, along with flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight, opens up a world of possibilities for capturing unique footage and enjoying your flying experience. The Potensic Atom SE is ideal for a variety of users. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to capture breathtaking landscapes, a travel enthusiast wanting to document your adventures, or someone just curious about drones and eager to learn, this drone is designed with you in mind. Its user-friendly controls make it accessible for all skill levels while still offering room for growth and exploration as you become more adept at piloting. In practical terms, imagine taking this drone on your next hiking trip or beach day. With its lightweight design, you can easily slip it into your backpack and take it out when you want to capture those stunning aerial views. The 4km FPV transmission ensures that you can see what the drone sees in real time, allowing you to frame your shots perfectly. In conclusion, the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone is a versatile, user-friendly, and feature-rich product that caters to everyone from beginners to experienced pilots. With its impressive camera capabilities, extended flight time, and thoughtful design, it's a fantastic addition to any tech enthusiast's collection. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.